Hello everyone. I just got a new KitchenAid double oven. It's the KODE507ESS. So anyway, and what comes with it is you get a complete service manual, schematics, wiring diagram, everything. So like here we got like, well here's a good one, the diagnostics. To get in the diagnostics you got a special thing that you do. You do what is it, cancel, start, and you get the diagnostic things, you get error codes. See, here's the error codes. Anyway, I'm going to take some high definition photos of these, and at the end of the video you'll get to see photos of every single one of these pages. So as we're looking over here, and let me just flip on the other side, the back side. You can see it's got parts diagrams, all sorts of stuff, component layout, wiring diagrams. Okay, here we go. Here's some other wiring diagrams, schematics. Anyway, so hold on here. I'm going to take some, like I say, high quality photos, and you can look at them now.